Tony B says, "How do I stop macOS from correcting a single word name?" Is that the full thing, or am I missing something?
This is a Discord thing.
Here it
so
is. Sorry. Does
okay.
anyone know any way at all to stop macOS from auto-correcting a single word? There is a specific acronym that I type numerous times per day, and macOS decides that it's spelled wrong and wants to correct it to a word that is one character off. Of course, the usual all in or all out solutions from the Apple community forums don't help. I was able to create a workaround in TextExpander, but I'd rather not have to use a workaround.
Yeah, and there was a great discussion in our Discord where Paul Conaway and Ben both shared that adding an entry to the text replacement section of the keyboard settings would do this, and it will sync to your iOS devices too. So that I think that's the answer. I don't know of any others, but Ben does point out, since you have TextExpander, I'd recommend just using that because it's more flexible most of the time. I'll add to that, though, it doesn't sync to iOS the same way that it does, but it's synced to the custom keyboard. And so, I would, if it were me, I'd put it in both.
So just so I'm clear, is that you would then put as the text replacement, like the way you want to spell it and then the way you want to spell it, like so they're the same?
Exactly. You put the same entry into both. Yes. Yes. Yep. Yeah, I know. It seems counterintuitive until you do it, and then you're like, oh, that makes sense. Okay. Yeah.
And then I want to quickly add the bonus quick tip, and I don't remember who sent it, but if you right-click on your text replacement, you can export it, and when you click export, it takes all your text replacements and exports them as a plist file. And you could take that to another machine that's on a different Apple ID. Oh. For instance, I use it on my wife's iMac. So all my text replacements are on her iMac as well as all my machines because she has a different Apple ID in there. So so if you right click on on a single text replacement and click export, it exports all of them as a plist.
Nice. So, and then the same thing for importing it, right? You right click and you can choose import. Then you turn
around and right click and import that plist file into it. Because when he first gave me that tip, I was like, oh, why would you want to do this? It syncs because I went and checked it out. Oh, it syncs across to iOS and iPadOS, and I can use it on the iMac.
Yeah.
Right away. Boom. Yeah.
Huh.